Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern vibrancy. Rich history and cultural landmarks. Sofia's history dates back to the 7th millennium BC, and its strategic location has made it a crossroads of civilizations. The city's name is derived from the Hagia Sophia Church, built in the 6th century AD. Some of the must-visit historical sites include Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This magnificent cathedral, built in the late 19th century, is a symbol of Bulgarian independence. Bojana Church, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this 10th century church boasts stunning medieval frescoes. Banja Bashi Mosque, this Ottoman-era mosque, built in the 16th century, is a beautiful example of Islamic architecture. St. George Rotunda, one of the oldest surviving Roman structures in the Balkans. This rotunda has been used as a church, a mosque, and an art gallery. National Historical Museum. This museum houses a vast collection of artifacts that trace the history of Bulgaria from prehistoric times to the present day. National Art Gallery. This gallery showcases a diverse collection of Bulgarian and international art, including paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts. National Palace of Culture. This iconic building houses various cultural institutions, including theaters, concert halls, and art galleries. Ivan Vazov National Theatre. This historic theatre is home to a variety of performances, including opera, ballet, and drama. Sofia University. The main building of Sofia University is a stunning example of neo-Baroque architecture and houses various academic departments and libraries. Central Sofia Market Hall. This bustling market is a great place to sample local produce, spices, and souvenirs. Sofia Central Mineral Baths. These historic baths offer a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Sofia Zoo. This zoo is home to a variety of animals, including lions, tigers, bears, and monkeys. Vitosha Boulevard. This elegant street is lined with shops, cafes, and restaurants, making it a popular spot for shopping and people watching. Vitosha Mountain. This mountain, located just south of Sofia, offers stunning natural beauty and opportunities for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. Modern city and vibrant culture. Sofia is a modern city with a thriving cultural scene. You can enjoy shopping at the luxury boutiques on Vitosha Boulevard. Explore the trendy cafes and bars in the city center, or catch a performance at the Sofia Opera and Ballet. The city also hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, including the Sofia Music Weeks, the Sofia Film Fest, and the Night of Museums. Natural beauty and outdoor activities. Sofia is surrounded by beautiful mountains, making it a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The Vitosha Mountain, located just south of the city, offers hiking, skiing, and breathtaking views. Sofia, while a bustling city, is surrounded by stunning natural beauty. The most prominent natural attraction is Vitosha Mountain. Located just south of the city, Vitosha offers a variety of outdoor activities for all seasons. Hiking and trekking. Explore the numerous trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging hikes. Skiing and snowboarding. In winter, the mountain transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Picnicking and relaxing. Enjoy a peaceful picnic amidst the lush greenery and stunning views. Beyond Vitosha, Bulgaria boasts other natural wonders. Seven Rila Lakes. This picturesque group of glacial lakes is located in the Rila Mountains, about 100 kilometers south of Sofia. Hiking to the lakes is a popular day trip from the city. Piran National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park features diverse ecosystems, including alpine meadows, forests, and glacial lakes. These natural attractions, combined with Sofia's rich history and cultural heritage, make it a truly unique destination. Driving in Sofia can be a bit challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with local traffic rules and customs. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Driving side, Bulgaria drives on the right side of the road. Seatbelts, wearing seatbelts is mandatory for all passengers. Child seats, children under 12 years old must use appropriate child seats. Headlights, headlights must be on at all times, even during daylight hours. Drinking and driving, strict penalties apply for driving under the influence of alcohol. Speed limits, urban areas, 50 km per hour, outside urban areas, 90 km per hour, highways, 140 km per hour. By following these tips and driving cautiously, you can navigate Sofia's roads safely and enjoy your stay in this beautiful city. Sofia offers a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to various tastes, from cozy cocktail bars to energetic nightclubs. Here are some popular spots to experience the city's nightlife. Trendy bars and cafes. Vitosha Boulevard, this bustling street is lined with trendy bars and cafes, perfect for a relaxed evening. Rakovsky Street, this street is known for its hipster bars and alternative music venues. Sputnik Cocktail Bar, this retro-inspired bar offers a wide range of creative cocktails. One More Park Bar, this popular bar has a lively atmosphere and great outdoor seating. Nightclubs. Rock'n'Roller, this rock club features live music, karaoke, and a lively atmosphere. Club Maze, this club offers a mix of electronic and live music, with a focus on local talent. Club Alcohol Sofia, this popular nightclub features international DJs and a stylish interior. Tips for enjoying Sofia's nightlife. Dress code, while many venues have a casual dress code, some nightclubs may require more formal attire. Public transportation, use public transportation or taxis to get around safely, especially late at night. Local customs, be respectful of local customs and traditions. Safety, stay aware of your surroundings and avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas. By exploring these vibrant spots and following these tips, you can experience the best of Sofia's nightlife. Sofia, Bulgaria, offers a delightful culinary experience, blending traditional Balkan flavors with modern culinary trends. Here's a food guide to help you navigate the city's diverse food scene. Must-try Bulgarian dishes. Bulgarian cuisine is a delicious blend of Balkan, Mediterranean, and Ottoman influences. Banitsa, a flaky pastry filled with cheese, often served for breakfast. Shopska salad, a refreshing salad made with tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and feta cheese. Köfteta, grilled meatballs, often served with a side of potatoes or vegetables. Sarma, stuffed cabbage rolls, typically filled with a mixture of meat and rice. Shkembe chorba, a hearty tripe soup, often enjoyed as a hangover cure. Where to eat in Sofia? Haji Dragana Vite Izby, a traditional tavern offering authentic Bulgarian cuisine in a historic setting. Stasili Veka, a popular restaurant known for its delicious local dishes and cozy atmosphere. Rakia Raketa Bar, a trendy bar specializing in rakia, a strong Bulgarian spirit, and other local drinks. Rainbow Factory, a popular cafe and bakery offering a variety of breakfast and brunch options, including the famous Bulgarian pastry, makitsa. Central Sofia Market Hall, a bustling market where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and street food. By exploring Sofia's diverse food scene, you'll discover a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, has emerged as a popular destination for digital nomads. Its combination of affordable cost of living, rich history, vibrant culture, and good internet connectivity makes it an attractive option for remote workers. Why Sofia is a great choice for digital nomads. Affordable cost of living. Sofia offers a significantly lower cost of living compared to many Western European cities. You can rent a comfortable apartment, eat out at affordable restaurants, and enjoy a decent quality of life without breaking the bank. Good internet connectivity. Sofia has reliable and fast internet, making it suitable for remote work. Many cafes and co-working spaces offer high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring a smooth online experience. Rich history and culture. The city boasts a fascinating history dating back to ancient times. Explore historical landmarks like the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, the Bojana Church, and the St. George Rotunda. Immerse yourself in the vibrant cultural scene, attend concerts, visit art galleries, and experience the local nightlife. Thriving digital nomad community. Sofia has a growing community of digital nomads, creating opportunities for networking, collaboration, and social interactions. Join local meetups, co-working spaces, and online forums to connect with like-minded individuals. Beautiful natural surroundings. The Vitosha Mountain, located just south of the city, offers stunning natural beauty and opportunities for hiking, skiing, and outdoor activities. Escape the urban hustle and bustle and enjoy the fresh air and breathtaking views. By considering these factors and following these tips, you can make the most of your digital nomad experience in Sofia.